Now we have 1 2/3 plus 7/15. So to add fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. So we need a fraction that's equivalent to 2/3 with a denominator of 15. So rather than 1 2/3, we can write 1 10/15, because to find equivalent fractions, we use multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15, and what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator as well. So 3 times 5 is 15, 2 times 5 is 10, so that's our equivalent fraction. And we're adding 7/15. Now we have 1 as our whole number, but if we add our fractions, we have 17/15, because remember, when we add fractions, we keep the denominator the same, and 10 plus 7 is 17. But we can't write 1 17/15 as our answer, because we can't have an improper fraction in a mixed number. So we need to change 17/15 to a mixed number. So rather than 1 plus 17/15, we have 1 plus 1 2/15, because 17 divided by 15 is 1 remainder 2. That gives us 2 2/15 as our answer. Now 2 5/8 plus 3/4. Now 8 is in the 4 times table, so to get our denominators the same, we need an equivalent fraction to 3/4, which has a denominator of 8. So we can rewrite our question as 2 5/8 plus 6/8. We use multiplication to find equivalent fractions. 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 2 is 6. So now we have 2 as our whole number, but if we add our fractions, we get 11/8. But again, we can't write 2 11/8 as our answer, because we can't have an improper fraction in a mixed number. So rather than thinking 2 plus 11/8, we can add 1 3/8 to 2, because 11 divided by 8 is 1 remainder 3, so that's 1 3/8 as a mixed number. So adding the 2 wholes, that gives us our answer, 3 3/8. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.